If I could speak all the languages of earth and of angels, but did not love others, I would only be a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. If I had the gift of prophecy, and if I understood all God's secrets plan and possessed all knowledge, and if I had such a faith that I could move mountains but did not love others, I would be nothing. If I gave everything I have to the poor and even sacrificed my body, I could boast about it. But if I did not love others, I would have gained nothing. We are disciples called to love one another. We reveal God's love to all, showing them that He loved us first, even while we were sinners. Thank you, Jesus.